When we search online, we often take result at face value. A page appears at the top and we assume it's the best answer. But have you ever wondered why that page ranked higher than the others? That's where interpretability in ranking models comes in. In simple terms, interpretability is about understanding the reasoning behind machine learning models when applied to ranking system. It provides explanation for why a particular page is ranked high. This transparency doesn't just make the technology more understandable, it improves both trust and usability. Why interpretability matters? Search engines and recommendation systems rely heavily on complex algorithms. These models consider hundreds of signals including first one, keyword relevance, second one, backlinks and domain authority, third one, page speed and mobile friendliness, fourth one, user engagement, likes, clicks, and time spent. Fifth one, context and intent behind the search. While these signals improve accuracy, they also make the process feel like a black box. Users can't see what's happening inside. Interpretability changes that by offering clear explanation of rankings, making the system more transparent. Trust through transparency. Imagine if a ranking system could tell you this page ranked high because it matches your search intent. It loads quickly on mobile device. It contains expert reference and reliable sources. Hearing this immediately reassures you. It shows the system isn't biased or random. It's basing result on meaningful factors. Benefits of transparency include stronger trust in the ranking system, higher credibility for businesses, better user satisfaction and loyalty. Usability gains with explanation. Interpretability also improves usability for both users and content creators. For users, they can make smarter, faster decisions because they know why results are recommended. Second one, helps them compare options such as explanation helps them compare options such as products, articles, or services. For content creators, they gain insights into which factors are driving ranking. They can focus on improving relevant areas like content depth, accuracy, or user experience instead of guessing. Let's see the balance between simplicity and complexity. Of course, there's a challenge. Ranking models are extremely complex. Explaining them fully could overwhelm people while oversimplifying could distort the truth. The best approach is to strike a balance. Provide explanations that are clear and concise. Second one, use non-technical language so users understand. Third one, ensure explanation remain actionable and accurate. Interpretability in ranking models is more than a technical detail. It's about making algorithm human friendly by explaining why a page ranked high, systems create. By explaining why a page ranked high, systems create. First one, trust. Users feel confident in result. Usability. People can make better choices. Fairness. Businesses and creators understand how to improve. As AI continue to power our digital experience, interpretability ensures that search and recommendation systems don't feel like black box. Instead, they deliver clarity and clarity builds lasting trust.